Class 6 Maths NCERT textbook, page number 23, exercise 1.3. Problem number 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. Estimate or round off, both are same only. We have given numbers, sum of numbers are difference between numbers. We have to estimate them using general rule, which means you can round off to nearest tens or hundreds as you wish. Okay. Now the first problem, subdivision A from page number 23 is 730 plus 998. Solution. 998 is the largest number. 730 is the smallest number of the given two numbers. Now these two numbers are having ones digit, tens digit and hundreds digit. Okay. These two numbers are 3-digit numbers. So we can round off to nearest hundreds. Take the biggest number 998. It rounds off to its nearest hundreds 1000 because 998 lies between 900 and 1000. It is greater than 950. So it rounds off to 1000. Then the smallest number is 730. It lies between 700 and 800. 730 is less than the mid value 750. So it rounds off to 700. To add 998 and 730, we have to add the rounded off numbers 1000 and 700. So what do you get? 0 plus 0, 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. Next is 0 plus 7, 7, 1. So 1700 is the estimated sum. We didn't do the actual sum. We have estimated the given numbers and then we did adding. So the answer is not actual sum. This is estimated sum. Okay. 796 minus 314. 796 is the bigger number, which is greater than 314. So the difference is possible because small number is subtracted from the large number. Okay, now it has 3-digit. Both the numbers are having 3 digits. You can round off to tens or round off to nearest hundreds. You can choose by your choice. Here now I round off to tens. 796 rounds off to 800. Don't think 796 has been rounded off to nearest 100 because we do not change 7. While rounding off 96 lies between 90 and 100 and 96 is greater than 95, the mid value of 90 and 100. So 96 is rounded off to 100. Already we have 700, 7 in hundreds place. So 700 plus 100 gives you 800. Okay. Now 314. While rounding off to tens, 3 is not to be changed. So 3. 14 lies between 10 and 20. And it is less than 15, the mid value of 10 and 20. So 14 rounds off to 10. So 314 rounds off to 310. Estimated difference is the difference between these two estimated numbers. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So lend 1 from 8. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. After lending 1 to 0, 8 will become 7. So 7 minus 3, 4. So estimated difference is 490. The calculation is done here. See. Problem number 1C from page number 23. 12,904 plus 2,808. These two numbers are having ones digit, tens digit, hundreds digit and thousands digit in common. Okay, so let us round off to thousands. 12,904 is greater than 2,888. 12,904 rounds off to 13,000 because 12,904 lies between 12,000 and 13,000. Mid value is 12,500. Here 904 is there. It is greater than 500. So 12,904 is greater than 12,500. So nearest 100 is 13,000. We have to round up to 13,000. Now 2,888, which lies between 2,000 and 3,000. It is greater than the mid value 2,500. So we have to round up 2,888 to 3,000. Add these estimated numbers, you get 16,000 as the estimated sum. 28,292 minus 21,496. Both the numbers are having 5 digits, so we can round off to 10,000s. Okay. 28,292. It lies between 20,000 and it is greater than 25,000, so it rounds off to 30,000. 21,496. It lies between 20,000 and 30,000. It is 21,496 is less than 25,000, the mid value. So it is closer to 20,000 and it rounds off to 20,000 only. So now 30,000 minus 20,000 is 10,000. Make 10 more examples of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcome. You can do by yourself using any 2 digit or any 3 digits as you wish. Okay, this has been given for your practice only, so keep practicing. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. A sum is given, a problem is given. We have 3 numbers here. We have to round off the numbers to nearest hundreds and also to nearest tens. Okay, 439 is less than 450, so it has been rounded down to 400. 334 is less than 350, it lies between 300 and 400. It is rounded down to 300. 4,370. There is nothing to do with 1000 place, so write 4 as it is. 317 lies between 300 and 400. While rounding off to nearest hundreds, 3000 is rounded down to 300. Okay. Now add all these numbers, you get the answer 5,000. While rounding off to nearest tens, you get 39 is rounded off to 40. No change in hundreds place, so 440. 34 is rounded off to 30, so 334 becomes 330. 4,317 is closer to 20, so 4,317 is rounded up to 4,320. So you have the answer 5,090. Next, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. By rounding off to nearest hundreds, consider the 3 digits only. 734 lies between 700 and 800. It is less than 750, so it is rounded down to 700. Okay. Next, 47,599. 599 only should be considered. It is greater than 550. It lies between 500 and 600. And it is greater than 550. So 599 should be rounded off to 600. Okay. So the difference is obtained 61,100. Here by rounding off to nearest tens, what we have to consider, 34 should be rounded down to 30. 99 will be rounded up to 100. Already you have 5 in hundreds place, so 500 plus 100 will give you 600. See, 599 lies between 500 and 600. It is very well known. 599 is closer to 600, so it is rounded up to 600. Two ways are there. You can choose the method with which you are feeling comfort with. To see from page number 23, 8,325 minus 491. By rounding off to nearest hundreds, write 8 as it is. 325 lies between 300 and 400. Since it is less than 350, the mid value, it is rounded down to 300. 491, it lies between 400 and 500. 491 is greater than 450, the mid value, so it is rounded up to 500. 8,300 minus 500 is equal to 7,800. By rounding after nearest tens, no need to worry about thousands place or hundreds place. Just consider the tens place and ones place in both the numbers. 25 is the mid value of 20 and 30, so it has been rounded up to 30. Now 91 is lying between 90 and 100. Since it is greater than 50, 491 lies between 400 and 500. It is greater than 450, so it is rounded up to 500. Okay. Or else you can do one thing. 91 lies between 90 and 100. 91 is greater than the mid value 50, so it should be rounded up to 100. Already you have 400s. 91 has become 100, so 400 plus 100 is 500. After finding the difference, you get the answer 7,830. 4,89,348 minus 48,365. By rounding off to nearest hundreds, 4,89,300 minus 48,400. See, 348 has been rounded down to 300. 365, which is greater than 350, so it has been rounded up to 400. All other digits in thousands place, 10,000 place and 100 lakh place are not getting any change. Find the difference, write the answer. Now rough estimate by rounding after nearest tens. Consider the last two digits, 48. It is closer to 50. Okay. It lies between 40 and 50. It closer to 50. So 48 is rounded off to 50. All other digits are written as they are. In the second number 65, it lies between 60 and 70. 65 is the mid value of 60 and 70. So 65 is replaced by 70. 48,370. Calculation is done here. Answer is 4,40,980. Okay, make 4 more such examples. It was the question given in your textbook. You can do it yourself because all the problems are very well explained in this video. You can do. Okay, thank you for watching.